Hi friends, this is Amit and you are watching my channel Information and Educational Video. So in this video I will talk about all your doubt that I have got through the comment section or on my Instagram. Many students ask about their doubts, so I will try to clear all your doubt in this video. So I will discuss particularly the payment status. Many student commented down that they don't get the payment status even after the money is debited from their account. So I will talk about that issue also, and will you get admit card if your payment is not confirmed. I will talk about this also, how to withdraw the application form if you applied two times or you don't want to carry with the exam, and how to do the transfer from one attempt to another, and what will be the refund date if you apply for refund. So when you will get the refund, how you will know about the refund. So I will consider all these points in this video. So if you are first to my channel, it's my humble request, please subscribe this channel, because if you miss the information, as I provide you information at the right time, so if you miss it, you will find it very difficult and later, and you will regret for that. So please subscribe this channel. If you have any doubt, you can also contact me through my Instagram. I will try to reply you as soon as possible. So many a student join me and get their doubt clear through the comment section or on my Instagram also. So please subscribe this channel and try to contact me if you have any doubt. I will try to solve this channel, and like this video, share this video to your friends so that they can also get this information. And one more request is there, I got so many comment about the question that I have already discussed in that video. That means people don't watch the video, they only just comment down their question. Please try to not do these things, as as I spend more time and it takes lots of effort to make those videos. So please try to watch the video, and more importantly, listen my words that I talk through the video. So while watching, please listen carefully the words, that will be very helpful for you, so you don't need to do the unnecessary comment that you do without watching the video. So please, it's a request, whenever you watch the video till the end, so that you will have the complete information. So it's my request, please take it seriously. So let's start the video. So before starting, I would like to inform you that I have already made many videos, that is top 10 NITCS cutoff, best 10 NIT at lower rank, and all NITCS cutoff, all NIT EC cutoff, and marks versus percentile. There is two video, one named mark versus percentile versus your category rank. There you will get your category rank whether you are from any category, and one video in which I have talked about shift wise marks versus percentile. So you can check all those video, and if you find any doubt there, you can ask in the comment section, but please watch the video till the end, I request you again. So here is all your doubt that you have asked, so I have picked some of them and I will try to solve that. So confirmation status, many student ask me about that they have already paid the payment of the money they are applying for, so, but their confirmation page is not updated yet. So don't worry, you don't need to worry at all. Your money is debited, so it will be updated, because the website is not working properly, as I seen from last 2 days, because many people doing their work on the same website. Some people are trying to refund the money, some people trying to withdraw the application form, try to check the answer key, and some try to do the apply for the next attempt also. So the same application can't handle all the things at the same time, that's why you are getting the confirmation page delay. So you don't worry, you will get the admit card and you can do the exam, that is March attempt. So don't worry about this, I request you again, don't worry. And so it is not a big issue. So next question is candidate with two applications. So I have got information that many student applied two times, that is in February also they apply and in March also they apply separately. So this, first of all, I will advise you, don't do this thing, because one application is enough to attend all the exam, that is 4 attempts. So don't do unnecessary things. If you applied second time, then please withdraw the first one, and how to withdraw I will talk in this video later. So the next one, correction. So the correction, that is name and date of birth correction, is not available this time, but don't worry, if your name have a spelling mistake, or father's name, mother's name, or date of birth, then don't worry, you continue with your exam. You will be eligible to enter the examination hall with the incorrected date of birth and name also, but in the next attempt you will get the option to uh, just correct your mistake, that is date of birth or your name, so that your final rank that will be available after May attempt, that is the certificate, that is rank list will be the corrected information will be there. So don't worry about this. So next is exam city correction. So exam city correction can be made before each attempt. So please be sure about this. I am speaking this after knowing all the things. So exam city can be corrected before every attempt. So if you are doing your exam in March attempt in any one city, then you can change that in next attempt also, that is April and May. So there will be correction window before every attempt. So the refund and transfer. So how to get the refund and transfer, I have already made the video in which I have shown the live how to do the refund and transfer. So check those video please and listen the words that I have told in that video. So you will get the link in description box or I button also. So watch that video. So payment done status not updated, as I told in my first question, that is confirmation page is not updated yet. So this is the same question, payment done but a status is not updated. So if your payment is done, that is your money have been debited from your account, then don't worry, you will get the admit card. If your payment is not done, then this is a case of worry. So if your payment is not done, then try with your SBI card. If you don't have SBI debit or credit card, then try to take help from your friends or any cyber cafe, because the UPI payment have some problem, as I also face problem during many online payments. So try to do with SBI as a credit card or debit card, that will be very helpful for online payments. So do these things to get the payment done. So when you will get the refund, so as I know from the NTA agency that the refund will be done separately before each attempt. If suppose if you apply for refund for all the three attempts, March, April and May, then you will get the refund for March after the March examination or during the March examination also, and for April you will get the same time on April, and for May also on the same time. So this is all about the refund date. So don't be confused, you will get your refund. And how you will know about the refund? You will know about the refund by mail. They will send you mail through which they will tell you that your refund for this attempt has been processed, and you will get there your application number also. So you, if you paid through the cyber cafe, then you can contact them and show them the mail that is the refund has been processed, so they will return your money. So and if you do the refund or transfer and process as I said in the previous video. So after doing the untick or unticking one attempt and taking other attempt, that is the transfer. So after that, please mail to the JNTA, that is the J main @nta.ac.in. You have to mail there with your application number and the subject. You need to write the refund or transfer what you are doing, and along with in the bracket you should write your application number, and in the composition a space there where you need to write all the thing, there you just need to write the I have done the refund process, that is untick my attempt, I don't want to carry with the exam, so please refund my money as soon as possible. And you write the application ID in the last also, so that they can be informed if there is any mistake in the website, they will know about through the email also. So do these things, then you will get your refund surely. So how you will be know about the refund? As I told, you will get an email about the refund. So next is how to withdraw. So as I already tell, refund means same as withdraw. So if you have done both two application, or you don't want to carry with the other attempt of the exam, if you done the fab attempt or not, so then just untick the option and do the mail and say whatever applied refund, transfer or withdraw, so that they can do this. So this is all about your all doubt and solutions. So please watch this video, and whenever you share the video to your friends, tell them also to watch the video properly and listen the words, so that they have the complete information. And I hope I have cleared your all doubt. So thanks again for watching this video, and share this video to your friends so that they can also get this information, and please subscribe this channel. You will get the much needed information at the right time. So thanks.